Welcome to Florida life at its finest. Step into luxury with this immaculate, stylishly furnished two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo on the fifth floor, offering breathtaking views of the sparkling lake. Nestled in the heart of Boynton Beach, this residence is more than a home. It's your own modern-day vacation retreat where everything you need is right at your fingertips. As you enter, you're greeted by a meticulously maintained living space, adorned with tasteful furnishings. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Natural light pours through the windows, filling the home with warmth while showcasing panoramic lake views from nearly every angle. But the luxury doesn't stop there. This condo also grants you exclusive access to an impressive array of amenities. Cool off with a dip in the refreshing pool, stay active in the state-of-the-art fitness center, or get work done in the on-site business center. When it's time to unwind, enjoy a movie in the private theater, challenge friends in the game room, or simply relax, knowing security and maintenance are top priorities in this community. Living in Marina Village means more than just comfort, it's a lifestyle. Just steps away, you'll find trendy waterfront restaurants and bars, along with a marina offering boat charters and personal watercraft rentals. Whether you're setting out for an ocean adventure, enjoying dinner on the water, or strolling the vibrant local scene, everything you need is right outside your door.